Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can add a promo code or discount code to Best Buy. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this demonstration we go on to bestbuy.com on my web browser. So I'm at bestbuy.com. I've already got a product in my cart here to save a bit of time, so I'm going to click onto my cart and then head to the checkout section. So I've got these Galaxy Bud Free in my cart, so I'm going to go to checkout, and now I'm going to scroll down and see if there's any spots or any way we can add a promo or discount code. So if I'm scrolling down here, it's just got checkout, PayPal checkout. Keep scrolling down, save items, your list is currently empty. So as you can see, there's no spot here to add a promo or discount code. And now I'm on the help section of Best Buy, and it says here promotional codes and digital coupons. So Best Buy sometimes offer promo codes or digital coupons for special offers. To redeem, you must enter the promotional code or the promo code found on the digital coupon under payment method during checkout. Some offers and coupons are only valid in stores as well. So those earbuds that I've got, if I go back here, so I'm on the order summary here, there's no spot to add the promo discount code because this isn't a product that they do have promo codes on. So only certain products have promo codes and some don't. Just be mindful of that when you're inside Best Buy.